Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and somebody sent me this picture of a gun stock that was actually hand carved, must have been years ago, and I just happened to remember the 3D file for this almost the same pattern on Epilog's web page, Epilog Laser. So if you'll just go to their web page, and let me just show you how to find it. Go to Resources Sample Club, and when that comes up, just go kind of near the bottom right there and click on it and then download it. It'll take a little bit to download, but this is what you're going to come up with. And it's already got the shape of a gun, but you don't want that. If you happen to notice, it's a power clip. So we're going to go and extract the contents. And you can see that's all we need now. So we're going to right click and copy that and then go to his file. And I've already pasted it in here so it's full size. I, for one, wouldn't make it any smaller. But then I would trace this. If this is actual size, I would, without anything selected, I would double click on your pen tool and go to graphic and make it a hairline and make it yellow so you'll be able to see what you're doing. Then you're drawing in yellow. Then I would zoom in. I'm going to break this video into two parts, so it won't, because the second part is going to be just as important on how to do this. So I'm going to go like from that corner to that corner with the 3-point curve line, and then I'm going to put it right there, and you can see with the yellow, we can see it a lot better, especially on this dark wood, and just kind of put it close to that. And there you could use the 2-point line, but since I've got the 3-point line, and you could actually, move that down a little bit. And I would have done it before I put the 3-point line there. I'd actually zoomed in and take this and do a little bit of a curve to it, and then do the top and get the, let's just do a 2-point line here. We're going to go from there to that node, and then go from that node up to that node. Now you can see we're a little bit off, but that's very easily fixed with the shape tool. And then make sure you go back and kind of adjust that. And the one I'm doing it for, then you're going to want to turn all those lines red and do a test. And, just make sure it's symmetrical. But let's just delete that. You can see all my lines, and this is what we're going to do. So now we're going to take that shape. We're not grabbing the whole picture, and we're going to nudge that out of the way. You can barely see my yellow, so we'll make everything red. Just kind of look at it, see if you like it. That doesn't particularly look very good. I might even, if it was mine, I might even grab all these nodes and right-click, turn them into a curve, and then when you click on there, you could curve that line a little bit, just a little bit, and just make it look a little bit better. And then once you have that, pretty important, I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangle around it so in case it leaks. And now I'm drawing in yellow, which I don't like, but take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in so it worked. And because we've nudged that out of the way, we can nudge it right back. But then left click, right click, and make an outline. And then encompass the whole thing, select the whole thing, and go up to our friend, the intersect tool. And this is what's pretty important. I would move that down and move that down. And the one I'm doing it for anybody, if you make that outline red and it's a hairline, you could actually put the gun in there and do a red dot pointer test and make sure this follows and doesn't fall off. And that'll look pretty cool. Now stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to just give you some hints on how to run a 3D and what I would do on this gun stock. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.